Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to design and execute training and enablement strategies to prepare your company and employees for the adoption of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. The image highlights how these initiatives can transform organizational culture, developing technical and strategic skills needed to thrive in the digital age. If you want to learn how to empower your team to maximize the potential of AI, stay until the end of the video. It is essential to conduct an audit of employees' current skills and compare them with those that will be required after the adoption of AI. The image shows how a financial services company identifies the need to train its team in the use of data analytics tools to interpret machine learning models. The benefits allow efforts to be focused on critical areas, maximizing the return on training investment. Technical competencies include the handling of data analysis software, while strategic competencies encompass the ability to design optimized processes. An example might be a marketing department that needs training in Google Analytics and AI algorithms to personalize advertising campaigns. Basic training can be an introduction to AI and automation to provide a general understanding of how these technologies impact day-to-day work. An example might be an online course that explains how chatbots improve the customer experience. A benefit may be that it reduces resistance to change and fosters a positive attitude toward adopting new technologies. Intermediate training may be to delve into data analytics, basic Python programming, and handling automation platforms. The benefit gained may be that it enables employees to collaborate effectively with AI. The advanced program for leaders and specialists can be AI strategy itself and change management for business leaders. An example might be an MIT Sloan program on leadership in the digital age. A benefit gained may be that it ensures that leaders are prepared to guide their teams in implementing new technologies. The implementation of online learning platforms can facilitate access to AI and automation courses at any time. An example can be companies like IBM use platforms such as Udemy and Coursera to offer continuing education. This serves to democratize access to training. The creation of communities of practice serves to bring groups of employees together on a regular basis to share knowledge on the use of AI. An example might be a group of analysts discussing best practices in machine learning. That a benefit gained may be that it fosters collaborative learning and accelerates the adoption of new technologies. Mentoring programs and reverse learning. Younger workers teach their older colleagues how to use new tools, while older workers share their strategic expertise. This approach strengthens intergenerational relationships and facilitates technology adoption. Training and enablement strategies are essential to ensure that AI adoption is successful. By identifying needs, designing tailored programs, and fostering a culture of continuous learning, companies can empower their employees and maximize the value of digital transformation. If you want to design and implement effective training strategies to prepare your company for AI, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we'll develop a plan tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.